I'm Susan with Growing Character. I'm a school psychologist who assesses for the characteristics of autism every day. Today I thought it'd be helpful to show parents how a typically developing 2-year, 9-month-old girl plays and interacts. I'll be breaking it down play by play to point out the specific skills that she naturally engages in. Many of these foundational social skills and building blocks of communication don't develop as naturally with children on the autism spectrum, but with lots of structured and intentional interventions can improve dramatically. So with that said, let's go play with Natalie.
Hi! Notice how she's interested in me when I show up. She makes good eye contact, she waves, and says hi simultaneously. She's eager to bring me into her world by continually showing me items.
I forgot that.
She initiates joint attention by calling me, pointing something out, and then looking back up at me to see if I'm looking. She also looks to something I point out across the room. She's enjoying the interaction with another kid by looking at her and smiling. She's engaged and enjoying play with me, and when I pause the interaction, she pulls down the blanket to keep the fun going. Throughout the playtime, whenever I call her name, she readily responds by turning, making eye contact, and giving me a response.
Hi.
What is that?
That's my cat, baby.
She's also responsive to my
Natalie, can you
requests.
clean up the toys?
Sure.
Good.
Notice how I'm turned away and she invites me to play.
Susie, let's play eggs.
Oh, okay.
She put together a number of words to make a novel
How
sentence.
do I play?
Open this.
Open the egg.
Cut this.
Notice how she looks back and visually references me to make sure I'm playing. And she hands me items to sustain the interaction.
Susie, help Papa.
You have iPads?
She isn't just interested in the toys themselves, but wants to share them with me and brings me into her world.
You like Papa?
She asks me a question about myself, showing that she knows I might have different interests than she does.
Play.
That is great.
She readily names items in a book when I ask
And
her
this
to.
one?
Flower.
And this one?
Sorry.
And this one?
A rainbow.
And what's this one?
A birdie.
That's a bird.
She's beginning to start to label basic emotions.
What am I?
Happy.
And what's this?
Sad.
What's this?
Mad.
Yeah.
Also notice that when I shift to being sad all of a sudden, she thinks that's out of place.
Susie. It's silly.
She then turns to her mother and directs her comment toward her mom while making eye contact.
I'm really silly crying.
She readily looks and imitates my behaviors during play.
No? Can you do this?
And even when she isn't in the mood, she clearly gestures and says no to
Copy
me.
me? Do you
When I hold back a highly desired item and ask her if she wants it, she nods yes, makes a verbal request, uses a single finger to point to it, and then looks back up at me.
Oh,
Here, she makes a verbal request and then is engaged in shared enjoyment.
Take on me.
oh, you want me to tickle you? I tickle, tickle, tickle. I'm gonna get you.
Mommy.
When you really dissect this interaction, you can tell that it's reciprocal. It's back and forth, back and forth.
I'm gonna top of your feet.
You're gonna put sand on my feet.
Yeah. And it's be warm.
Ooh, it is warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
What do you want to play?
Doctor.
Okay, how do we play?
Here, Natalie's engaging in imaginative play and is pretending she's a doctor.
No, in the back.
I'm gonna put it on your fancy plate.
No, I need it in the
One
back.
for you.
No, see, I can't eat it. No.
Here, she becomes upset when I won't let her have her way. When she quickly realizes that I'm going to continue enjoying my snack, she recovers quickly from the setback and rejoins me at the table.
Cheers.
Oh, my water.
And when I leave, she responds to my farewells without prompting from an adult.
Every child develops at a different rate and has different areas of strength. The purpose of this video is to show how many children's interaction with the world naturally develops. If you have concerns about your child and you feel like they might be in a world of their own, less interested in the social world of others, less responsive to your bids for interaction, and they may show delays and or abnormalities in the way they use their verbal and nonverbal language, it may be a good idea to talk to your child's pediatrician or the local school district for an autism evaluation. I truly believe that every child has a place and a purpose in this world. Let's help your child find theirs. Check out my other videos on the true difference between autism and language delays, and what we psychologists look for when we assess for autism. And as always, consider subscribing to my channel. See you next time.